EcoNour car window screen is such a necessary asset to have in your backpack, especially for people looking to camp in areas with temperate climates. Crafted from nylon mesh, spandex, and rubber, this sleek window screen is stretchable and durable, but more importantly, it offers exceptional protection against the ultraviolet rays from the sun while giving you the luxury to enjoy the outside breeze and breathe without any restrictions. It's incredibly easy to install and wide enough to cover any windows of between 30 to 34 inches in width and up to 18 inches in height. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly materials, the Onirii inflatable mattress offers you a comfy and enjoyable rest during adventures. It's flexible and fits in well for all types of vehicles, including sedan cars, SUVs, trucks, and minibuses. In addition, it's 100% safe and large enough to accommodate humans of all sizes. It comes with extra amenities like air pumps, air pillows, air foot piers, sleep mask, and sleep earplugs. On top of that, this sleek inflatable mattress weighs just 2.5 kilograms only and can be folded for easy carriage. The KPR is an all-in-one table and stool that fits well for all indoor and outdoor camping events. It's collapsible and can be adjusted from 11.5 inches to 19.69 inches, while the telescopic stools can be adjusted from 2.36 to 18.11 inches. This means that both children and adults can use it. Weighing just under 8 pounds, the KPR table and stool is extremely lightweight, and overall, both the stool and the table feature a one-piece design, which improves portability, and on top of that, it's very easy to install. Odoland is a combination of 5 different cookware that can be easily assembled and disassembled within a minute. It features a collapsible multifunctional grill which can either serve as a campfire grill gate or camping fire pit. The Odoland camping cookware features airflow holes and mortarboard which separate the carbon from dust and help the charcoal burn effectively and supply enough heat for users to grill just about anything. This funnel-shaped wind-resistant grill is made from durable stainless steel which prevents rust, heat, scratch, abrasion, and corrosion. Weighing in at 0.5 kilograms, the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel is a lightweight backpack for carrying all types of loads. It's crafted from rugged and water-resistant materials and well-laid upper zip that gives full access to the main compartment. The side compartment is intuitively designed so that it can be accessed from both outside and inside of the bag. Not to mention, it comes with a resistance sling and padded base that protects the contents of the bag. Furthermore, it's equipped with ergonomic and abrasion-resistant shoulder straps, which allow you to carry the bag in different ways. The Kipida solar-powered shower bag is the perfect shower gadget for all outdoor adventures, including car camping. With this intuitive bag, you can enjoy a refreshing and pleasant shower outdoors, like you do in the comfort of your bathroom. It has high water capacity, which allows it to carry up to 5 gallons of water. Harnessing the sun's energy, this bag rapidly heats water to a soothing 45 degrees Celsius in just 3 hours. In addition, this portable shower bag is equipped with an indicator that allows you to monitor the water temperature. This is the SHIMOYAMA foldable camping box, a sturdy and practical storage option for your car camping adventures. This incredibly useful gadget is stackable in both collapsed and expanded states. With a sleek top panel that effortlessly converts into a coffee or wooden camping table, it serves as a versatile addition to your outdoor setup, whether as an impromptu dining service or a catering station. This table adapts to your needs. Furthermore, the SHIMOYAMA folding camping box exhibits remarkable water resistance, and despite weighing just 7.72 pounds, it has a storage capacity of up to 75 liters. There's something magical about being able to make your own coffee every morning, but for most people embarking on car camping journeys, this enchantment is tinged with concerns because lugging a full-size espresso machine isn't feasible on such expeditions. However, the Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine solves this problem. Beyond its remarkable portability, this mini espresso marvel features a high-capacity 7500 mAh rechargeable battery, allowing users to brew between 3 to 5 cups after a full charge. With a single push of a button, users can heat up water up to 94 degrees Celsius within 3 to 4 minutes. No camping adventure is complete without food, and that's why a gadget like the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp cooking system is a must in every car camping trip. This highly efficient stove brings the convenience of kitchen cooking with you everywhere you go. It comes with 2 burners that deliver up to 10,000 British thermal units of cooking power. With this much power, the Jetboil stove can heat up water, melt snow, and brew coffee in just over 3 minutes. However, it features a robust control system that helps to regulate the amount of power supply to suit their preference. Planning a car camping adventure can be great until you realize the most important luggage has taken up the seat meant for your favorite child. But with the BagMate military grade roof bag, you'll never have to face this dilemma again. The top of the line packing gadget weighs 12.62 pounds and comes with a storage capacity of 23 cubic feet, which is sufficient enough to accommodate up to 8 suitcases. And if your storage requirement exceeds that, this heavy duty cargo bag boasts handy and detachable straps that can be used to create extra space on top of the bag itself. This is the REDCAMP Car Awning Sun Shelter, a multi-purpose canopy that works with all types of cars, including sedans, MPV, hatchback, pickup truck, van, and even hatchback. It weighs just 4.4 kilograms, but covers between 400 to 500 centimeters of space when fully expanded. It comes with 2 aluminum poles that can be adjusted between a height of 74.8 inches and 86.6 inches, and with the 6 stakes and 8 ropes that this awning sun shelter comes with, you wouldn't have to worry about your camping date being disrupted by wind. The Slime Emergency Flat Tire Repair Inflator boasts a convenient quick connect air hose and an integrated tire pressure dial gauge capable of delivering air pressure ranging from 0 to 100 psi. Notably, this tool holds a TMPS safety rating and presents properties that are non-toxic and non-corrosive, guaranteeing the well-being of both tires and wheel rims. With the BougeRV Car Refrigerator, you no longer have to carry ice cubes around on your car camping journey. This portable 12 volts chiller helps to keep your food fresh and make your drinks cold. It has 2 compartments, both of which can work either as a refrigerator or a freezer. However, it's also equipped with dual zone technology that allows users to choose what they want from each compartment. In other words, if the user wants, one of the compartments can be set as fridge while the other simultaneously works as a freezer. As much as car camping adventures can be fun, they also offer some level of risk, especially when you're going with kids. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is designed to significantly minimize these risks. A compact satellite communicator, the Garmin inReach device facilitates two-way communication, allowing you to stay in touch with fellow adventurers. It has SOS capabilities, which allow you to call for help in an instant. The Map Share feature allows you to share your location with loved ones back home, even as its digital compass guides you on your next move. The Yeti Portable Power Station gives you the luxury of powering your devices on the go as you explore the world road. It has 7 versatile port options, which makes it ideal for a wide range of gadgets, including refrigerators. It weighs just 78 pounds, it's rated 12 volts and supplies up to 2,000 watts of power, which means it can also be used to power household appliances like deep freezer, low voltage, air conditioner, and television. When paired with the Yeti app, users can remotely monitor, control, and optimize the power usage of this device through their phones.